Apple fans, it's happening. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is officially here, or at least, we now have the most detailed and reliable leaks yet. From a dramatic new camera design to a lighter, thinner body, Apple is taking some bold steps forward, and a few sideways. Let's break it all down. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to launch in mid-September 2025, right on schedule with Apple's traditional event timeline. Pre-orders should open a few days after the event, with full availability by the end of the month. This year's design is turning heads. Apple is ditching the traditional camera bump for a horizontal camera bar across the back. Love it or hate it, it's the biggest visual change since the iPhone X. It also means this phone stands out, even from across the room. And get this, it's also rumored to be the lightest Pro Max iPhone ever, thanks to a new aluminum plus glass build. Yes, titanium is gone, replaced by a half-glass, half-aluminum finish aimed at improving durability and reducing weight. Up front, we're still getting a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with promotion and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness. The dynamic island is shrinking, but only on the Pro Max model. The regular iPhone 17 Pro keeps the same size cutout. Now let's talk about that big camera redesign. All three lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, are expected to get 48-megapixel sensors. This brings sharper low-light performance and higher-res zoom shots. Also rumored is a new periscope-style telephoto, offering 6x optical zoom. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chip, built on a second Gen 3nm process. Expect better power efficiency, smoother gaming, and improved AI capabilities across the board. And yes, it's still iOS, but with some new AI tools powered by Apple Intelligence. Here's something exciting. Apple is finally bringing reverse wireless charging to the iPhone. That means you'll be able to charge your AirPods, or even another iPhone, by placing them on the back of the 17 Pro Max. And thanks to a thicker body, we should see a larger battery than last year's model. Reports also say Apple is going eSIM only globally, with no physical SIM tray even in international models. Plus, we might see support for Wi-Fi 7 and improved 5G modem performance, perfect for faster downloads and low-latency gaming. Price? It's expected to start at $1,199, same as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But with rising component costs, we wouldn't be shocked if we saw a slight bump. Either way, you'll be paying for a premium package. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most ambitious iPhone yet, from the camera redesign to new materials, reverse charging, and that powerful A19 Pro chip. But the question is, are these changes innovative or just different for the sake of being different? Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video if you're excited about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Subscribe for full comparisons with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and more. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss Apple's September launch event coverage.